Hello everyone. For this hackathon, we are building GrowthOS. That's our problem statement. We are trying to figure it out. And the reason for picking that up is like we all grew up in our neighborhood seeing one shop that we used to buy stuff. But over the years, things change, everything's changed, but that shop still remain the same. And they are like that shop, they are 70% shop in India and businesses in India that don't have either a website, or even if they have a website, they are not optimized for today Google SEOs, or even the bankings do the scraping for those website to determine the credits for those business. So the owners are facing a lot of difficulties and the visibility issues for that. Not just that, even while operating by single-handed, like those kind of businesses generally run by more than like not more than like 5-10 people, or most of the time 2 or 3 peoples. They don't have time to do the competition analysis. They don't have time how their visibilities are working. They don't have time to build their website, or they don't even have a money to see if they have a website, how the website is performing. So what we are doing here, we are building a whole ecosystem, a fleet of agent actually, and we are telling it growth OS, where the fleets of agent will help you to analyze your business, analyze your website, point out like what is not good, what is good, and if it is not good, like what to do it to improve it. And with that, I will start with a demo. Like we'll give you like couple of demos of things that we did, starting with the SEO agent that we built, and everything will is built on a Gemma model that is running inside your browser. Like it's use WebGL, Web GPU to power it. So the main concern of data privacy, that the data, your data is never going to leave the system. And we use couple of tricks like XI to make a search more efficient. Like instead of just generally scrapping the website, we are using XI so our agent can get a data especially built for the agents, not like a human readable website. So we did these kind of things to optimize this and make process more smooth and detailed. So I will start with the demo of our first, like, which is the SEO agent. So one thing, like how it begins, like I will go in a setup. Vishal will show you like how business do the setup. But how it happens, like in setup, like we give all the business information, and with that, like we are going to analyze this Gyani prints. So this is a small printer corporation, a small printer business. They are based on Bangalore, Sarjapur, and let's see like how things work. So one thing, like you can see here, our agent is like the moment I click the analysis, our agent are start going on a website, seeing what the buttons are, what the data are there, what we can do, and it's like playing like a child, exploring everything. Now once this process complete, like once the capturing of the data completes, what we are doing, we have fine-tuned our agent to not just see the design part, like to make it like very beautiful like an apple, but also the business implementation key, what all details are missing out, what all points are missing out, or what things competitors are doing and you are not doing. So here I already ran this in the background just for the demo. So you can see we found 3 competition, since it's in a Sarjapur base. So we found 3 competition, and our agents are highlighting 10 issues where 3 were the high priorities. So if I take a quick glance, so there's a no get a quote or request a consultation on the top, which should be like one thing. Like on a user experience, I want to like request a consultation. That's the most common thing which we want to do, whether it's a revised homepage for headline like high quality, exaggerating my brand and adding some attractive or lucrative sentence to make it more catchy and user friendly. And also like Google SEOs goes and read those data. So if I search for printing, good printing near me, might this website not get selected because of these things. So with that, we did a terms of like improvement suggestions that this website can do. Also we have a side by side of the screenshot taken by our agent to see like what we fed to him. So not just like SEO improvement, but design improvement, like how user is going to be on that flow, how it is going to work. So that's all we did. And apart from that, we also did the competition analysis. So if you are a shop, there could be like a lot of shops around. So for this, like I will take a hold and I will share I will give a stage to Vishal to continue with competition analysis, like how we build that agent. So yeah, over to you, Vishal. Like, can you share your screen?
No, it's fine. Yeah, I will share my screen. Keep your mic enabled.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where the users lands. They can register their business. Like here, they can put some name. I'm taking this restaurant as a reference. So I get all the details from here, and also I got some details from Google Maps, and just feeding that data to this form, like the business name, location, category. They have a website, so website, if they have some images, we can pull it out here, and if they have some PPT or documentation, we can do it here. So how it will look when they save this one, on the home page, these things will be shown, like the name of the business, then the location of business, and the embedded ID, website link, what they have sent, and these all are the four agents where Satyam covered this SEO agent. I will just go through the competitor agent, what it does. So basically, this is the portal where you will land, or when you place on this competitor, you just click on run competitor intel, and it will run the analysis, and it will go to the, it will communicate with the competitor agent, and it will fetch all the data from nearby location, and these things will happen. It will feed the data to our Gemma, and Gemma will generate an interface something like this. Not Gemma, Gemma will give us a response, and our UI will generate a beautiful response, beautiful architecture based on that. So this is what the analysis will look like. It says that this is the location, this is the report summary, that Burger King, burger market is in Indranagar is highly competitive, and numerous established and emerging players are there. Apart from that, it's saying where to focus to win that market, what are the current strength of the business, and also the competitor analysis, like how many competitors are there, like Burger King, what's their strength, what their weakness. Same like Lois Burger. It's fetching data from Zomato, and it fetches data from Google reviews also. It's not showing here, but in the analysis part, it takes that all stuff. You can see how many ratings are there on the Zomato app. After that, we have this recommended moves, what restaurant has to take to win the competition. It says that the specialty of burger to use a high quality ingredients that is match, like it will make the restaurant out of the competition, like it will promote them. So this is coming from, I believe, the weakness of Burger King, but yeah, it's highly looped, so it works something like that. And then we have this chatbot feature. So basically chatbot works something like, I register my restaurant on my website, and we get an interface, we get a iframe, and then if some
It's 4 o'clock.
when someone wants to integrate that one inside their site, they just need to call our iframe. So they can embed the iframe here, and they can just chat with this chatbot and get the information from.
And it's just a one-line code for them.
Yeah, it's just a one line code
Amazing.
for them. We have done everything for them. So yeah, that's all.
Yep. Thanks.